Good morning, dear student of class 6. So far we are discussing about landforms. Today we are going to discuss about the landform of valleys. So dear student, what do you mean by valleys? Or what do you mean by valley? Valley is a low land between mountains. Okay, valley is a low land between mountains. Often a river flow through a valley. Often river through a valley. You can see in India. India has many beautiful valleys. Some of them are Kashmir Valley and Silent Valley, etc. So, dear student, there are different valleys like river valleys, then Narmada valleys, great valleys, etc. So, what is Reef Valley? Reef Valley is a linear shape, low land between several highlands. Okay, lowlands between several highlands or mountains ranges created by the action of the geologic reef or fault. Okay, this created by the action of a geologic reef or fault. A reef valley is formed on the divergent plate boundary, a crustal extension or spreading a part of a surface which is subsequently further defended by the forces of erosion. Okay. So dear student, now let us read a reef valley is a lowland region that forms where Earth's tectonic plates move apart. Okay, the tectonic plates that move apart. Or reef. Reef valleys are found both the land and at the bottom of the ocean. Okay, these reef valleys are found in the both land and the bottom of the ocean, where they are created by the process of sea floor spreading. They are created by how they are created by the process of sea floor spreading. Then reef valley differs from river valley. There are this reef valley is differ from river valley and glacial valley in that they are created by tectonic activity. Okay, these valleys are created by tectonic activity and not the process of erosion. Okay, they are created by tectonic activities. Then many reef valleys are part of triple junctions, a type of divergent boundaries where three tectonic plates meet at about 120 angles. Okay, these divergent boundaries where three tectonic plates meet at 120 angles. Two arms of the triple junctions can split to form a entire ocean. Okay, how to form an entire ocean? That is two arms of the triple junction can split to form an entire ocean. The third failed reef or Alakagen may become a reef valley. The Atlantic Ocean, or instance, is a result of triple junction that started in what what is now Gulf of Guinea on the west coast of Africa. Two arms of triple junctions on the supercontinent Pangaea opened the ocean, while the Alakajan formed the reef valley known as the venue through what is now southern Nigeria. So dear student, now let us read about Narmada Valley. Narmada Valley is a graben. Okay, this Narmada Valley is a graben, a layered block of the earth's crust that dropped down relative to the block on either side due to ancient spread of earth crust. Okay, this Narmada Valley is created due to the ancient spread of earth crust. Two normal faults known as the Narmada North Fault and Narmada South Fault. Okay, there are two faults. One is Narmada North Fault and the other one is Narmada South Fault. Parallel to the river's course and mark the boundary between the Narmada block and the Vindhya block. Satpura block are hosts which rose relative to the Narmada graben. Then the Narmada's watershed includes the northern slope of Satpura. Okay, this Narmada watershed includes the northern slope of Satpura and the steep southern slope of the Vindhyas. Okay, as well as steep southern slope of the Vindhyas. But not the Vindhyas table-lined, the streams from which flow into the Ganges and Yamuna. The Narmada Valley is considered extremely important for the paleontological studies in India. Several dinosaur fossils have been found in that area. Okay, in this area several dinosaurs and fossils have found in this Narmada Valley or valley areas. Now let us discuss about Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is a name given to the continuous geographic trench. Okay, continuous geographic trench. Approximately 6,000 kilometers, 3,700 meters in length that runs from Lebanon's Bek Valley in Asia to Mozambique in southeastern Africa. The Great Rift Valley, as originally described, was thought to extend from Lebanon in the north to Mozambique in the south, where it constitutes one of two distinct physiographic provinces of the East African mountain. It included what we would call today the Lebanese section of the Dead Sea transform. The Jordan Reef Valley, Red Sea Reef, and the East African Rift. Ode, these rift and faults are seen as distinct, although connected. These were only formed 35 million years. Okay, this Great Valley, Great Reef Valley, and Narmada Valley, and Reef Valley, and there are River Valley. They are formed due to different tectonic activities, etc. So dear student, I hope you have understood. Read this again and again and try to understand.